Hello everyone, and welcome to Fulton Public Library's How to Use Kanopy video. We're going to start by adding our library card. So add your library card and PIN number. Once you do that, you will be prompted to create an account. You have several options here. You can create an account, connect with your Facebook or Google account. And now you are logged into Kanopy. When you start Kanopy for the first time, it's going to give you a how-to video as well as explain how many items you can have checked out. You can watch up to 10 films a month, as well as having unlimited plays on Kanopy Kids and the Great Courses. We will go over all three. Tap Watch Now to begin. Once you have opened Kanopy, you will see at the top a number count. This is how many credits you have currently, as well as your account. So you will see your dashboard, your watch list, and viewing history, as well as parental controls. You will then see a gateway to Kanopy Kids. You'll just click on that. You'll have a search bar that you can search by title, director, actor, or subject. You will also have a way to browse through different content, such as documentaries, movies, and other subject headings. Kanopy itself will have newly added content carousels to browse through, as well as trending items, such as the ones you're seeing on the screen now. This will also be how you find the Great Courses. Once you click on the Great Courses, you can browse through their content. Do note the Great Courses are going to be multi-episode, so once you click on a title, you will then see a description for each episode that you can play or add to your watch list. You will also see sometimes on one of the carousels will be bonus content that will not count against your 10 checkouts. Let's go ahead and look at a film. So let's go to the top, and we'll just pick one of the new films added. We'll go with Banana Split. Once you open it, you're going to see your film in the center here, as well as related videos, a description, and a way to add it to your list, to share the item, or create a clips and playlist. You're also going to see comments from other viewers. To start your film, all you'll do is press on the play button. As soon as it begins to stream, your counter will go down, so you'll go to 8 films. Let's take a quick look at Kanopy Kids. And we have that welcome screen again. You just tap Start Watching. Kanopy Kids is going to look just like Kanopy for adults. You're going to have the content carousels as well as a browse feature. You'll just have less to browse by. You'll only get movies, TV, history, language, story time, beloved characters, and animals. You'll have everything from Arthur to Sesame Street to Muzzy language learning and some classic films. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed our brief tour of Kanopy, and I hope you enjoy your movies. To exit Kanopy Kids, you'll just tap Exit, of course. Go back to the home screen here and start streaming. Don't forget to check out Great Courses as well. Thank you.